Hi girls, this is Megha from PerkyMix.com and welcome to my channel. So many of you requested me after the Sarojini Nagar shopping haul that where exactly I shop in Sarojini Nagar. So when I went there last time to shop, then I tried to make a video of the lanes and all the landmarks from where I shop, and this is my first time experience of a vlogging, so I'm not an expert on that. I just wanted you guys to know from where I shop. So if the quality is not what other YouTubers do, then please spare me because I am not habitual of it. So today I'll tell you from where exactly I shop in the Sarojini Nagar market. But before that, if you have been hearing a lot that Sarojini Nagar street shopping market is closed down, then I must tell you that it's not. I went there quite a few times, and yeah, the variety has definitely not been a lot like earlier, but still the Sarojini Nagar market is the same as earlier and you will get all the stuff that it is famous for. So let's start where I shop in Sarojini Nagar market. So this is the first landmark from where we start. This is Kin's shop, and then in this lane we'll move forward and start our shopping. This is the first shop just next to Kin's on the left hand side, which has a variety of clothes. It has shirts, tops, spaghetti tops, off-shoulder tops, anything you name it, and it is here. I always shop something from here. You can see a variety of clothes here and just bargain a lot and don't give more than 150 to 200 rupee for any top. Now we'll move forward. Then here is another shop you can see which has a variety of tops. These are some beautiful spaghetti tops you can see. And then we'll just keep moving. This is the right side and this is the left side of the lane. Now 2-3 shops to the first shop, there is a shop here which has like all the variety of denims. It is from here that I got those dungarees which I showed you in my last Sarojini Nagar haul. So just check out here. And then just keep moving in the lane and you can see the Sleepwell board there. First let's see, here you get a variety of skirts, kurtis on the right side, and also pajamas and kurtis for home. Just keep moving in this lane. And this is the first landmark, the Sleepwell board that you can see. We have to take a left from here. Another landmark on the right is this shop called Samdi Hatti. I could not see the whole name. Just keep moving. And at this point you will see that there are 4 ways. It's a chauraha. Another landmark is this Ahuja Sons and Tight shop. At this point you will get a lot of people selling you these chokers for around 50 per piece. Now opposite to that Ahuja Sons you have to take a left. And then on the left you will see a shop. It's called Abrol Sons. You can see it's written Abrol Sons. Now on the right side of this is this area where I shop a lot. It has a great variety of tops. Let's go inside. You can see a variety of tops here. This beautiful orange top, spaghetti top. Just check out this place, it's really amazing. So this is first right opposite to Abrol Sons. This is where we just moved in. This is the lane from where we entered opposite Titan showroom, and we will move forward in this lane. Now when you'll move forward, on the left side you will see some beautiful jewelry. I shop a lot from here, and then you can see some loafers. In this lane you'll get a variety of tops, pajamas, kurtis, leggings, you name it, and everything is here. At the end of this lane is this shop which I talk about a lot. This is called Big C, and it has amazing variety of western wear. This is from where we entered, and this is the end of the lane. So girls, this was all about where to shop in Sarojini Nagar market. I hope you liked this video. Let me know if you want to make a video on something else. So I'll note down your request and make a video on that. Thanks for watching this video. Meet you next on another interesting video. Keep watching PerkyMix.com. Give a thumbs up to this video if you like, and do subscribe my channel. Feel beautiful, be stylish. Bye bye.